So it's nothing really special. Oh no, somebody's coming like a police. Look, 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 somebody coming. Look, look, they're gonna pack up, pack up, pack up, pack up, pack up. Pack up now, pack up. From here, you don't see much because we're too close. We're already here.
Some drink for you.
And so this is the Eiffel Tower. A lot of vendors. Business here is so active at night. Everybody's selling something. And everybody's selling this Eiffel Tower with blinking lights. And they cost like €1. But you have to be careful when you buy. Okay? So that's exactly how it looks like. A lot of people around here taking pictures and having a good time. Yeah, it's really very dark. We don't see much. There it is anyway. So you see a lot of people around here. So Don, what can you say about the Eiffel Tower?
Don't know what to say.
It's such a busy place here. A lot of vendors left and right. Kind of like you don't feel safe anymore. I wonder, of course in the morning they're not allowed to be here like that. But yeah. This is in the island, okay? In between, just in front of the tower. That's what you get to see, okay? So here, further away is the same. They're selling the same thing. I think they're from a group where they get all these items. And here, somebody selling wine, prosecco, champagne, and that's what you get. Oh, down there is the river. There you see. And it's not clean. That's the thing I can tell. It's not clean. So this is over the bridge. And this is the atmosphere here. So it's nothing really special. Oh no, somebody's coming like a police. Look, 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 somebody coming. Look, look, they're gonna pack up, pack up, pack up, pack up, pack up. Pack up now, pack up. So maybe police. Let's see, let's see. Oh, so fast, they're so fast. Come on, come on, let's go. Look at them now, everyone. They're so quick. Now they left some dirt. That's why the place is dirty.
It's nice though.
Nice.